Once upon a time, in a busy city, there was a mysterious phenomenon happening. People were slowly turning into animals. At first, it started with subtle changes, a person's ears becoming pointy or their eyes taking on a more animalistic appearance. But as time went on, the transformations became more pronounced. At first, people were scared and confused. They didn't understand what was happening. Some tried to hide their changes, while others embraced them. As the days passed, the city became a mix of humans and animals, living side by side. Slowly, the newly transformed individuals began to see the world through different eyes. They found themselves more in tune with nature and more connected to the world around them. They discovered a newfound sense of freedom and understanding. As the transformations continued, the lines between humans and animals blurred. People found themselves embracing their animalistic instincts and living in harmony with the natural world. The city, which was once filled with noise and chaos, became a place of peace and unity. In the end, the people of the city learned an important lesson: that true humanity is not defined by appearance or form, but by the connections we make with each other and the world around us. And so, they embraced their new identities, celebrating the beauty of humanization in all its forms.